Hi guys, welcome to How to Maximize. In this video, I will show you how to download videos on Telegram. First of all, open Telegram. Click on the menu from the top left corner. Go into Settings. Click on Chat Settings. Scroll down to Media and Sound. Check out all the options turned on. Go back to the home page. Click to open any chat. Open the video from chat. Then click on the three dots. Select the Save to Gallery option to download the video. Or click on the three dots of video and some options appear. Click on Save to Downloads. Thanks for watching and please leave a like, subscribe and share.